create your insect today, we're going to be using the Morphi app. So to find that, I'm going to type in M-O-R, and you'll see the M for Morphi. So the first time that you go in, it will look a little bit different than this, but where do you think I'm going to press? I'm going to actually add, so I'm going to use that plus sign right there, and that will give me a new building space. So to click on that building space, I'm going to click on the middle of it. And now I want to do a drawing. So you can see on the right hand side that there is these little squiggles. I'm going to press on that. And now I can start to draw straight on my iPad. So if I start drawing with my finger, I can start to create my insect. Now you'll notice that my lines are really big, so I might want to take this down at the bottom and make my lines a little bit thinner so that I can add more detail to my insect. When I'm all done, then I will press 3D. And I will have my first insect. Now, if this is an insect that I want to save, I'm going to go and find those three dots up at the top, and I'm going to press save to add it. Now, you're going to need to make three different designs for your same insect, because what we find is the first time it might not be your best rendition of your insect. So this time I'm going to go to the squiggly line again. This time I want more detail, so I'm going to toggle down so I get a finer line. With a finer line, it allows me to have way more detail added. One thing you need to know about 3D printing is if I put something all by itself and don't connect it, what will happen is when the 3D printer goes to print, it basically will fall right through. So I want all of my lines to connect so that when it prints all the way through. So I'm just going to create a symmetrical butterfly. This is my second butterfly. And then I'm going to press 3D over here in the corner. And I really like it, so I'm just going to look at it close. And then I'm going to hit save. Now, when I've picked out, so right now I have 4 different ones. And this is the one that I want to pick out. So I'm going to hit the arrow. And then I'm going to upload it to Thingiverse. Now I'm going to put my name so that when it uploads to Thingiverse, I know that it's my thing. Then I'm going to click on upload, and my teacher will put in her Thingiverse account so that all of our designs go into Thingiverse, and that's how we are going to get them down to print later on this week.